Okay, here is your instruction video with the details on how to record and upload your final roller coaster video. So this assignment, you should have already opened it right here. There's basically 4 steps that you need to do. Record your video, upload your video to this Google Drive folder right here. Make sure the file is named with your name, roller coaster, and then open up this Google slide sheet. You're going to find your name and insert your video into your slide. All right, so what follows next are details on how to get that done. So first is your video. So you have 2 options on how to record your video. One is sort of this view here with your phone. So you can go ahead and take your phone, and if it's feasible and doable for you, you can go ahead and record your marble as it's traveling all the way down the length of your roller coaster. If that's too hard or it's just too hard, you can also kind of set up your laptop or your phone a bit farther away, and you can go ahead and just drop it and have your phone kind of record the marble traveling all at once. You might need some family members' help to record this. That's totally fine. Please get some help. The important thing here is that I see when the marble starts. So you could say start for me, and then when the marble reaches that container to at the end. So if you could say stop, because I will be timing all of these with my son Jack. He's super excited to see all of your roller coasters, and he is going to help me get the official times for all of them. If you want to include your own time in the video, that's great. That's very helpful for me. You don't have to, though. All right, so that's the video. And then once you have your video, you want to upload your video to the Final Roller Coasters Google Drive. So that's right here, right? Final Roller Coasters video on Google Drive. So if you go ahead and come here, so if you're doing it on your computer, you do New, you do File Upload. I'm just going to pick this one right here and hit Open. Sometimes it takes a few minutes depending on how your internet is behaving to upload it. If you download the Google Drive app on your phone, which I recommend that you do, it's actually pretty handy, you can send that file straight from your phone to this Google Drive folder right here. Or to like your Google Drive, and then you can move it into this folder. So that's another way to do it. If you have your file on your computer first, please make sure you label it with your first name here, your name, and then roller coaster. Everyone's going to be uploading their files to this folder. So if I get 42 movies is called roller coaster or just some rando numbers, it's going to be really hard to find yours. So really, please, your name, roller coaster. Let's say that again. Your name, roller coaster, right? Your name, this is my name, roller coaster. You can always edit your what the name is of the file afterwards. So if you do it on your phone and it's a pain in the butt to edit the file there, you can always open up your computer, open up this file, this folder, pardon me, find your file, go ahead, right click on it to rename it, and you can rename it there as well. Okay, so we did that. We did step 1, we did step 2, we did step 3, and then the last thing we have here are our final roller coaster video. So this is in one kind of Google slide. You all have edit rights to this, so please don't delete things from people. This is a way, one, for me to easily like come through and see all your videos, and for also for us just to see all of our videos. I've also have gotten some feedback from lower school teachers, and they actually really want to share your roller coasters with their classes. So this is like a really easy way that I can just share this whole presentation with them. So all of your names are in here. So you're going to find your slide. It's not alphabetical, I'm sorry. I just like copy and pasted the class list. So it's like 81, 82, 83 by your last name. So you'll figure it out. It's fine. So you're going to insert your video. So I'm going to pretend I'm Tess right now. So I find my slide. I go to Insert Video. right? And sorry, you go to your drive, and it should be, if you do this right away, it should be kind of like, it kind of, organizes it in order. So here it is right here, Miss S roller coaster. I hit select. It's going to think about it right now. And then, you can move it around. You can make it bigger. It might take a little while for it to process this. Oh, this is going right away, so that's great. Um, if you wanted to take more than one video, so say you wanted a side and a front, and there were just like a couple different angles that you want, I would say that's like awesome. That's great. I would just ask that you add them to this one slide. So don't make multiple slides. Just keep it to the one side, and then you can just.
So you have your setup.
We don't need to hear me. This is weird. It's meta. It's like me talking more. You can resize this to make it smaller, to make multiple videos fit um, on one slide. Okay, that's what you need to do. I hope that's not too confusing or hard. Office hours, I have them. Come talk to me, send me emails. I'll help walk you through it. I am really super excited to see your final designs and to see how everybody does. All right, good luck.